This morning, the president tweeted, quote, "The approval process for the biggest tax cut and tax reform package in the history of our country will soon begin. Move fast, Congress." Last night, Mr. Trump hosted several senators at the White House for a dinner to discuss taxes. Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia was among three Democratic senators to accept the invitation. He joins us now from Capitol Hill. Senator Manchin, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie. How are you?
How was dinner?
It was good. It was a really good dinner. Always a good dinner at the White House. That was my first dinner, sit-down dinner, so it was excellent.
With any president or with this president?
Just this president. No, any president. This is the first time that I've gone to a personal sit-down dinner. I've been to state dinners, things of that sort when I was governor and all, but since I've been a senator, this is my first.
So with that opportunity, what did you hope to achieve, and did you achieve it?
Well, I thought it was a very open dialogue. It was very free-flowing, open. We talked about a lot of things, you know. Infrastructure was very much on the president's mind and his staff, and we talked in depth about what we could do, the innovation and creation of the future and where we should be and what's going on around the world. And that was exciting, and I think that's going to happen. We're all committed to infrastructure. I said, potholes don't have a Republican or Democrat's name on it. They just need fixed. So that's what we're working on. We're talking about that. And then we got into the tax, and it got really interesting. I think they're very aggressive on this. They want it done. They want it in a bipartisan way. I thought it was very good for them to reach out to us. We had I think, an in-depth conversation on our concerns. The president was adamant this is not a tax cut for the rich. And that's exactly what people will portray, but he says it is not going to happen. I can assure you it's going to be mostly for middle class, the working people, or we're going to be competitive or globally competitive. So I'm anxious to see the results.
Has the White House reached out to you at all in this process, or Senator McConnell?
No, not yet. No, some of my colleagues have. Susan Collins and I have been speaking about it. Bill Cassidy and I've spoke about it. And I've told him, I said, if you can take repeal off the table, sit down and talk about repair and fixing what we have and how to make it better, I'm in with you. And I said, we'll get more Democrats that'll sit down. And Chuck Schumer says, if we can get a repair organization or repair group sitting down, that's fine. So we're not hindered from our side whatsoever, but this is about our country, and it's about, you have to have a policy that gets your people healthier, gets them in a productive workforce, if you will.